Welcome to all. Surveying Practice 2, Semester 3rd, Course Code 15CE 36B. Presentation on total station and general commands used, instrument preparation and setting readings, distances and angles. Aim of the experiment: general commands used in total station, its preparation and setting and reading distances and angles. Instrument required: total station and its accessories. Figure shows that is a total station that is placed on tripod stand. Parts of a total station. Total station consists of a handle, a collimator, this one will be called as a collimator, objective lens, this one will be called as a objective lens, vertical motion locking screw, this one will be vertical motion locking screw, this one vertical tangential screw, display board, keyboard, tieback, locking, rechargeable battery, here space is provided for providing it as a battery, communication port, horizontal motion locking screw, leveling head, tieback, plate level, optical plummet, eyepiece, objective, focusing screw. Keyboard and display consist of a display that is a illuminated display, power keys for switching on and off, alphanumeric keys it consists of A to Z letter, A to Z, coordinate measurement mode. This button is used for measuring the coordinates, that is along x direction, along y direction, along z direction. Distance measurement mode button to measure the distances. Angle measurement mode, that is to measure the angles. So shows the this will be a blue color, that is the enter key. F1, F2, F3 are the function keys. Figure shows a single prism reflector consists of telescopic expansion up to 2.08 meter, bubble center portion, this will be a bubble center portion, prism enclosed in a metal casing, this is a prism that is enclosed in a metal casing. Leveling the total station. Step 1, tripod setup. Tripod legs should be equally spaced, so tripod legs should be so here that is equally spaced tripod legs. Tripod head should be approximately levered. This head tripod head should be, so you have to make approximately levered before placing a, that is a total station. Next, head should be directly over the survey point. This head, center of the head, that is directly over the survey point. This survey point. Next step, mount instrument on tripod. After leveling the tripod head, so place the total station on tripod stand, then secure with a centering screw. Next, insert a battery in the instrument before leveling. Next step, focus on survey point. Focus the optical plummet on survey point by focusing the optical plummet on the survey point. Next step, leveling the instrument. Adjust the leveling foot screws to center the survey point in the optical plummet recti. Center the bubble in the circular level by adjusting the tripod legs. Next step, leveling. Loosen the horizontal clamp and turn instrument until plate level is parallel to two of the leveling foot screws. Center the bubble using the leveling screws. The bubble moves toward the screw that is turned clockwise. Rotate the instrument 90 degree and level using the third leveling screw. So leveling is done as in case of transit theodolite. So this is a leveling process. First parallel to two foot screws, then perpendicular to previous two foot screws. Make the bubble center. Make the bubbles up to. So rotate these two foot screws until bubble comes to the center of the plate level. Next on leveling, observe the survey point in the optical plummet and center the point by using the centering screws and sliding the entire instrument. Suppose if it is a center of the that is instrument exactly over the center of the survey point, so you have to loosen the that is a screw, make the instrument center exactly over the station point. Afterwards, you have to tightening the centering screw. Electronically verify leveling. Turn on the instrument by pressing and holding the on button. The opening screen will be the miss screen. Select the function. Adjust the foot level screws to exactly center the electronic bubble. Rotate the instrument 90 degree and repeat. So if it is a bubble will not in the center, so you have to using there is a function keys adjust the foot level screws exactly to the center the electronic bubble. Adjust image and rectile focus. Release the horizontal and vertical clamps and point telescope to a featureless light background. Adjust the rectile focus adjustment until rectile image is sharply focused. Point telescope to target and adjust the focus ring until target is focused. Move your head from side to side to test the for image shift. Next, we will go for measurement of horizontal angle. After all the temporary adjustment, power on the rotor station and enter into angle measurement mode. This will be a button used for angle measurement mode. Bisect a point A using, so you have to bisect a keeping the rotor station at exactly over station O. So you have to bisect a station point A by keeping a reflector on a station, then a point on a point A, and press set 0 set button, and the horizontal angle will be set to 0 degree, 0 minute and 0 second. Release the motion locking screws. Rotate the telescope in horizontal plane. Rotate the telescope in horizontal plane and bisect a point B. The required angle will be reflected on this display board with a least count of 1 second. So you have to make by keeping now horizontal reading is 300 degree, 47 degree, 47 minutes and 10 seconds. Vertical reading, and that is 84 degree, 50 minutes and 17 seconds. Measurement of distance. Bisect a reflector which is placed at a point A and press miss button. The required horizontal distance and vertical distance will be displayed. After all the temporary adjustments, so press the distance measurement mode button. Bisect the reflector. So bisect a reflector which is placed at a point A. Now I am placing a reflector at a point A and press miss button. The required horizontal distance, this distance from survey point to this reflector point, that is a horizontal distance, and vertical distance will be displayed. Measurement of coordinates. Enter into a coordinate measurement mode. This will be a button used for measuring the coordinate, that is x, y and z direction. Press F4 button, that is the function keys. These are the F1, F2, F3, F4 are the function keys. We take it to new window. Then press OCC. Then and enter reference coordinates. Press F4. We take it to a new window. Then press OCC and enter reference coordinates. That is why now I will be taking a reference coordinate 10,000 along north direction, 10,000 along east direction, and z along 100 along z direction. In occupied point input, after setting OCC, then bisect the point A using the motion locking screws and press Miss button to measure the coordinates of the target point A. Now we will go for multiple choice questions. In total station, data is stored in A. Pen drive, B. Data card, C. Microprocessor, D. External hardware. Answer C. Microprocessor. Vertical angle is measured in the total station as zenith angle. Whether it is a true or false. Answer B. That is a true. When total station is sighted to the target, which of the operation acts first? A. Rotation of optical axis, B. Rotation of vertical axis, C. Rotation of horizontal axis, D. Horizontal rotation of line of collimation. Answer A. Which of the following indicates the correct set of the combination of total station? A. Theodolite, compass, B. Theodolite, EDM, C. Electronic theodolite, EDM, D. EDM, GPS. Answer C, that is electronic theodolite and EDM. In which direction it is best to place the total station for obtaining the best output? A. East, B. West, C. South, D. North. Answer D, that is the north direction. The data obtained from total station can be used in which among the following software directly? A. Primavera, B. Stratfo, C. Autodesk Revit, D. Surfer. Answer D. Surfer. Thank you.